it's very easy for me because I'm always a happy person and they adapt the same thing. So when I see them not smiling or in a corner, I tend to, first thing I ask them, hey, what's up? I said, hey, Najir, what's up? Or Williams, what go on? Give them a hug and, tell man, tell daddy what go on, man. And they basically will open up because they know daddy's gonna fix the problem instead of talk to me instantly. But the girl now, assure her that he knows daddy's here and daddy's always gonna be here. And, you can expect ups and downs in life. There's gonna be good times, there's gonna be bad times. And I always try to reflect on my experience to tell them, to carry them through further in life. For me now, as long as I get the major stuff out the way, like the must bills and have food in the house and stuff like that, I tend to, when I go home in the evenings, I separate that little hour or two in my little corner, meditating on everything. Do I run through a full surgery of the family assets and see what's going on in the household. So in the evening times, I always take some time for myself, an hour or two. Sometimes I'll go chill with my friend, play some music. Like for the two boys, I was there at their birth, before they were born and like hours after they were born. So those two moments for me is like, one of the biggest moments because I stood up to my responsibilities. I was not afraid, and still standing there up to this day. You do have those moments, and at one point in time, in the early stage of the fatherhood, I tend towards still sticking to friends, hanging out, coming in late at nights. And I saw that I was lacking in that part because the sons needed attention at home. I saw that they really needed the attention for me to be there as much as I can. So I had sacrificed, the friendship timing that I used to be out on the streets. That helped me a lot and stopped going out to unnecessary parties and stuff like that. And yes, I think that that put the icing on the cake for me right now, having all the time in the world with my kids unless I'm at work. Well, there are a lot of things that I didn't have as a child. The most important one was having a father around. I didn't have that. I didn't grow up with a father. That's one promise I made when I got my first child, which is my daughter, Shioma Williams. She's 15 years old now, living in the States. And I decided that I'm going to be present in their lives as much as possible. And I stick to that promise and still doing that today. That's one thing that I want them to have continuously until death do us part. Well, young man or young men out there, first thing I have to tell you that this is not a game. This is not primary school with girlfriend and boyfriend and then like a short-term thing. It's a long-term thing and it's a responsibility and it's a role that you have to prepare to play. So my big advice for you is preparation. How do you prepare? You have to prepare financially and you have to prepare emotionally. And you have to prepare to be there. So it's like a storm that is coming, and most of the storm are coming, you have to go button up your house, you have to go protect the window them, and you have to go buy up stuff because you're gonna need it during the storm. But it's a lifetime storm.